Hello students, welcome back to my channel Electronics Tube. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to explain you exercise 2.3 question number 3. In the previous video we solved question number 2. So if you have any doubt or if you are new to my channel, you can go and see the question number 2 there in my playlist. So we'll start with question number 3. So question number 3, first question is 2 by 5 into 1 by 4. Okay student, the 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4, first we have to, it's very simple, like previous question 2 you have solved, only this is for the practice purpose. So 2 5 1 by 4, 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So first we have to solve this mixed fraction to a improper fraction. So how to do it students, I have told you earlier also. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. So you will get 21 by 4. So 2 by 5 multiplication sign and 21 by 4. Now here you have to see whether anything is getting cancelled out or not. Okay, this is 21. So 2 2s are 4, we know this we can cancel out with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. After this you see there is no common factor, so we have to multiply the numbers. 1 21s are 21 and 5 2s are 10. So you will get 21 by 10 is the answer after multiplying the following fraction. Question number 2, this again is a mixed fraction. So first we will convert it. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 is 35. 5 6 are this again is a mixed fraction. So first we will solve it into an improper fraction. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Now here you see, is there any term cancelling? No, nothing is cancelling out. So we have to multiply and then write the answer. 5 2s are 14, carry 1, 7 3s are 21, 22 and 5 9s are 45. So this is the answer. So 224 by 45. Now this one, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So you will get 3 by 2 into 16 by 3. Correct. So now here you can see there is 3 3 3. So this is a common. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 16 and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So what is left, that we have to multiply and write the answer. 1 8s are 8 and 1 1s are 1. 1 by 8 is nothing, only 8. So answer is 8 for this one. Coming to this one, 5 by 6 into 2 3 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. So 5 by 6 into 17 by 7. Okay, so now here you see there is no cancelling term, so directly we have to multiply 7. So you will get 85. 17 5s are 85, 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8 and 6 7s are 42. So this is the answer, 85 by 42. Now doing this one, so again first do it in the improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. Now see, is any term getting cancelled out? No. So multiply it. 4 7s are 28, 2 and you will get 68 and by 35. So 68 by 35 is the answer. In this one also you have to directly multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 by 5 into 3. So multiply it, 13 by 5 into 3. Here you write 1. Okay, for easy calculation, 13 3s are 39 and 5 1s are 5. So 39 by 5 is the answer. Doing this one, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25. So I will write 25 by 7 into 3 by 5. So multiply it, you will get this, we can cancel out. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So you will get 5 3s are 15 and 7 1s are 7. So 15 by 7 is the answer for this one. So I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. The most important thing you have to keep in mind while solving these questions, that always convert a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Students, I hope this is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can leave the comment in the comment section. In the coming video, I am going to upload the solution of question number 4. So if you have any query, you can go through it. And stay tuned to Electronics Tube for the upcoming videos. Take care. Bye bye.